Did you know that protein can help you release fat once and for all? Protein is a fundamental macronutrient essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall growth and maintenance of the body. Composed of long chains of amino acids, proteins are the building blocks of life, crucial for nearly every function within our cells. Unlike carbohydrates and fats, the body does not store protein, making it vital to consume adequate amounts daily. Proteins are made up of 20 different amino acids, 9 of which are classified as essential because the body cannot synthesize them on its own. These essential amino acids must be obtained through our diet. Consuming high-quality protein sources ensures that our body receives all the essential amino acids needed to maintain muscle mass, support immune function, and regulate metabolism. Protein also plays a significant role in weight management, as it helps increase satiety and boosts metabolic rate, facilitating fat loss. How much protein to have in a day? The amount of protein needed daily varies based on factors such as age, sex, weight, activity level, and overall health goals. Generally, the recommended dietary allowance for muscle maintenance is about 0.8 grams per kilogram of lean body weight for the average sedentary adult. However, those who are physically active, aiming for muscle growth, or working towards fat loss require more, often around 1.2 to 2.6 grams per kilogram of body weight. What are amino acids? Amino acids are organic compounds that combine to form proteins. They play a vital role in numerous physiological processes, including the synthesis of neurotransmitters, hormones, and enzymes. Amino acids are classified into 3 categories: essential, non-essential, and conditional. Non-essential amino acids can be produced by the body, while conditional amino acids are typically not required in the diet except during illness or stress. Essential amino acids, however, must be obtained through dietary sources. What are the essential amino acids? The 9 essential amino acids are histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. Each of these amino acids plays a unique role in the body. For example, leucine is crucial for muscle protein synthesis, while tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sleep. Grass-fed benefits versus grain-fed? When it comes to beef, the diet of the cattle significantly impacts the nutritional profile of the meat. Grass-fed beef comes from cows that have been raised on pasture and consume a diet primarily composed of grass. This method of feeding enhances the meat's nutritional quality. Grass-fed beef is leaner and contains higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, conjugated linoleic acid, and antioxidants like vitamin E compared to grain-fed beef. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and are essential for heart and brain health. In contrast, grain-fed beef, which comes from cows raised on grain-based diets, tends to have more marbling and fat content. It contains lower levels of beneficial omega-3s and CLA. Choosing grass-fed beef over grain-fed options can contribute to better health outcomes by providing more beneficial nutrients and supporting sustainable farming practices. What are the effects of CLA? Conjugated linoleic acid, known as CLA, is a type of polyunsaturated fatty acid found naturally in beef and dairy products, particularly in grass-fed varieties. CLA has gained attention for its potential health benefits, especially concerning fat metabolism and weight management. Research suggests that CLA may aid in reducing body fat by increasing energy expenditure, enhancing fat oxidation, and promoting the breakdown of fat cells. CLA may also improve body composition by preserving lean muscle mass during weight loss, which is crucial for maintaining metabolic rate and overall health. Additionally, CLA has been shown to exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Including CLA-rich foods like grass-fed beef in your diet may support your fat release and weight management goals. CLA and uncoupling proteins. Activation. Uncoupling proteins, known as UCPs, are a group of mitochondrial proteins that play a crucial role in energy metabolism and thermogenesis. They are involved in the regulation of body temperature and energy expenditure by dissipating energy as heat. CLA has been shown to influence the activity of UCPs, thereby increasing energy expenditure and promoting fat loss. By activating UCPs, CLA can enhance thermogenesis, leading to an increase in calorie burn and reduction in stored body fat. This mechanism may contribute to CLA's ability to support weight loss and improve body composition. Including CLA-rich foods in your diet, along with regular physical activity, can maximize these effects and aid in fat release. Fat in beef versus fat in poultry? Beef fat, particularly from grass-fed cattle, is more stable than poultry fat due to its higher content of saturated fats and monounsaturated fats. Saturated fats in beef are less prone to oxidation, which makes them more stable at higher cooking temperatures. This stability helps preserve the nutritional quality of the meat and reduces the formation of harmful compounds during cooking. In contrast, poultry fat contains a higher proportion of polyunsaturated fats, which are more susceptible to oxidation and rancidity. This makes poultry fat less stable during cooking and storage. The stability of beef fat makes it a favorable choice for cooking methods that require higher temperatures, such as grilling and roasting. Which is more caloric? When comparing the caloric content of beef and chicken, it's important to consider the cut and preparation method. Generally, beef is more calorically dense than chicken due to its higher fat content. For instance, a 3-ounce serving of beef steak contains approximately 220 calories, whereas the same serving of chicken breast contains about 165 calories. However, choosing lean cuts of beef or trimming excess fat can reduce its caloric content, making it a more versatile protein source in a balanced diet. When to eat beef? To maximize the benefits of beef in your diet, consider incorporating it into your main meal of the day, such as breakfast or lunch. This allows you to enjoy the nutrient-dense profile of beef, including its high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and beneficial fats. During a time when your body can utilize these nutrients for energy, muscle repair, and overall function. When to eat chicken? Chicken is a versatile and lean protein source that can be included in meals throughout the day. Its lower fat content and mild flavor make it an excellent choice for lunch, dinner, or lighter meals. Incorporating chicken into your diet can help maintain consistent protein intake, supporting muscle maintenance and satiety without significantly increasing caloric intake. Why combine both? Combining both beef and chicken in your diet provides a balanced approach to protein consumption. This combination ensures that you receive a wide range of essential amino acids and nutrients, supporting muscle growth, fat metabolism, and overall health. Beef offers rich CLA content and stable fats, beneficial for energy expenditure and metabolic health. On the other hand, chicken provides a lean protein option that complements beef's nutrient profile while keeping caloric intake in check. Including both protein sources can also prevent monotony, making it easier to adhere to a balanced and nutritious diet. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, the roles and benefits of protein in your diet, particularly from beef and chicken, can significantly impact your health and weight management goals. Protein is a crucial macronutrient comprised of amino acids necessary for tissue repair, enzyme production, and overall growth. With 9 essential amino acids that must be obtained through diet, it is important to consume high-quality protein sources daily to support muscle maintenance, immune function, and metabolism. The recommended protein intake varies based on individual factors, but ensuring adequate consumption is key to optimizing these physiological processes. Grass-fed beef, with its superior omega-3 fatty acids, conjugated linoleic acid, and antioxidants, offers distinct advantages over grain-fed varieties. CLA plays a pivotal role in fat metabolism and weight management by promoting fat oxidation and preserving lean muscle mass, while also activating uncoupling proteins to boost energy expenditure. Beef fat, particularly from grass-fed sources, is more stable than poultry fat due to its saturated and monounsaturated fat content, making it ideal for high-temperature cooking. While beef is generally more calorically dense, strategic consumption can balance caloric intake. Consuming beef during main meals maximizes its nutrient benefits, while chicken's versatility suits lighter meals throughout the day. Combining both beef and chicken provides a comprehensive array of essential amino acids and nutrients, supporting muscle growth, metabolic health, and weight management. This balanced approach not only enhances dietary diversity, but also facilitates adherence to a nutritious and effective diet plan. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.